is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
So this is the hair pretty much after I've kind of altered it a little bit, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I did that. But I want to start by telling you guys that this hair is from Unice Hair. This is from their official website. I think I'll start mentioning that from here on out. If the hair I get is from Amazon, the official website, or AliExpress, just so there's no like confusion. So like I said, this hair is from Unice Hair. This is their 13x4 HD Lace Bodywave Wig, and the density on it is what's supposed to be 180% density, but I don't feel like that was pretty accurate. And then the length that I got was also 24 inches. Yes, because I think that's the highest that this wig goes to. So this video is sponsored. They did reach out to me and send me this wig, so I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion about it, just as if I purchased the hair myself. Let's get right to the chase. I cut the hair because the hair it was a little bit on the thinner side, not so much up here, but the ends were very thin, and so when I curled it, I didn't like how that looked, so I cut it, and that kind of gave me the fullness that I was looking for. I wish it would have been full from root to tip originally, so I wouldn't have had to cut it. But in the natural color, which is what all hair comes in, it says that it was pre-plucked. I had to go in and pluck it a little bit, and I didn't really do too much plucking with it, so I wouldn't necessarily say it was pre-plucked, not even the slightest. I did have to go in and pluck it just a little bit. I don't know, I feel like this hair company, their hair is kind of so-so. Like sometimes when I get their hair, it's good, and then other times it's just okay. I kind of hate that I had to kind of cut it and chop it. I'm sure it'll look better once I straighten it, then I can really see what I need to go in and fix. I feel like, I don't know, I curled it kind of weirdly because the curls are just kind of going everywhere. But anyways, I feel like, if I'm being honest, the price of this hair, $377 for a 24-inch HD lace 13x4 body wave wig. If I would have paid for this with my own money, I would have been just a little bit disappointed. Not too terribly disappointed, just a little bit, only because the hair wasn't full at the ends. I feel like that is pushing $400, so to me it should meet the criteria of being an almost $400 wig. And again, that's just my opinion. The lace is good and the hair is super soft. It holds a curl real nicely, no issues there. So the hair is not bad. I don't want to take away from the hair and say, oh, this is just a terrible wig. It just, the issue that I mentioned, and that was pretty much it. Shedding, just going off my first impressions, I've gotten a little bit of shedding, nothing too crazy. I don't think this hair is going to tangle either. There's really no... So that's all I have to let you guys know for this particular video. If you guys do have any questions, you guys can leave them down below. I will insert the link to my to this wig in my description box if you guys are interested in it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.